everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be learning about how to convert JSON to Python objects. So guys, let's have a small recap before that. In our previous session, we learned how to convert Python objects to JSON, which was very simple. We used the method of serialization, that is, we used JSON.dumps method over here, which dumps our Python data and converts it to our JSON data. So in this session, we will be learning converting JSON to Python objects. The process of converting JSON data back to Python data is called as deserialization, or it can also be called as decoding. Over here, if you have a JSON string, if you have a JSON data, all you need to do is you need to use our JSON.loads method to take that data in the form of a Python. So if a data exists in a form of JSON, and you want to use it as Python and you want to use it in your program as well, you want to iterate it or you want to do any function on it, then what you can do, you can use our JSON.load method to take that data in the form of Python and you can work on it as well. So let's have a look on how it can be done. So guys, first of all, if you want to work with the JSON data, then we need to import JSON over here. So it doesn't matter if you are doing serializing or deserializing, importing JSON is very important if you're dealing with the JSON data. Okay, so here I have written import JSON. Now suppose I'll be creating a JSON string. I know how to create a JSON string, that inside JSON every element is written in a form of a key value pair, that means in the form of a dictionary, and later it is enclosed with the strings. Now with the strings, there is one important thing, that it is not enclosed with a double quotations over here. It is enclosed with a single quotation. So let's create a dictionary over here. I'll be creating a dictionary. Employee is equals to, I'll be creating a normal dictionary first, that name, colon, John, comma, age, colon, 23, comma, gender, colon, male. Now this is our normal dictionary. Now if you want it in a form of a JSON data, all you need to do is put a single quotations over here. So if I put a single quotations over here, then now this data is a JSON data, that means it's in the form of a string, and to convert it back to our Python, all we need to do is use our method that is called as JSON.loads. Let's have a look on how it can be done. So if I write A is equals to JSON.loads, inside the parentheses, I'll provide with the data that I want to convert back to Python. So I'll be writing employee over here. As soon as I print it, if I print A over here and run it, you will see it will come in a form of a dictionary. And if I print its data type also, that print type of A, and run it, it will give me that it belongs to the classes of dictionary. Similarly, if you want to make it in a form of a list over here, suppose you are dealing with a data which is a list over here. So I'll be putting a square brackets, and inside it we have a dictionary, that doesn't matter, but here we have a square bracket which is showing that it is a list. Now if I run this, it will show me that it has been converted to in the form of a list. Inside it anyways the dictionary elements exist, but still it has been converted to the form of a list. And here it can say that here it is written that they belong, and here at the bottom it is written that it belongs to the classes of list. So this is how we convert JSON data back to our Python data. So I hope guys what is deserialization or decoding is clear to you. That means when we convert our JSON data back to Python data, that is called as deserialization, for which we have a very simple method that is called as JSON.loads, and inside it we can provide with whatever data, with the name of whatever data that we want to convert it back to Python. So in our next session guys, we will be learning how to read a JSON file, how to read and write in a JSON file. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.